Hi guys, it's Velvet. If you're new to the channel, I am not a makeup artist. I am just a makeup junkie. Eyeshadow and lipstick is my thing. I haven't really reviewed a lot of lipstick. It's because I don't have any new. I like what I like, and so we would be reviewing the same colors over and over, just different brands, because I like the same thing. But today I am going to review, I've been trying it out. It's from Lorac. It's the 3-in-1 light source. They sent it to me as a free gift when I ordered some stuff during the holidays. I can tell you I would not wear it in the winter time because it does give you a glow or a dewy finish. And here where I live, we are very humid, and in the summertime I don't need any help being dewy. As a matter of fact, I fight it the whole time with different primers and setting sprays. But the first thing I noticed when I pumped it out and rubbed it on the back of my hand, I'm going to do that so I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it kind of turns this a pink, has a pink iridescent feel to it. It actually feels very good on the skin. I mean, sort of like a hand lotion, really. The other thing that I noticed, that it smells like Noxzema. Noxzema. I don't know if they even make that anymore, but when I was a teenager, I used it some to wash my face. CoverGirl, their liquid makeup, in the bottle, their old Tommy bottle that they still have, used to smell like it. I don't know if it does now, but they were made by Noxzema. I don't know who they're made by now. But that's what it reminds me of. And so I use a foundation actually that I've already got on. It's Almay Smart Shade. It helps me correct my redness, which today I'm not too red. And I don't know why, because I used my facial scrub, which is a cure, and someday we'll go over my skincare routine. But sometimes it leaves me red if I do it too vigorously, but it hasn't today. So, I got some new hair going on. It's bothering me just a little bit. Anyway, so I'm going to show y'all how this works for me. And I told y'all in a tweet, I think, that I have finally found my foundation, and it is Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in porcelain ivory. Finally, I cannot tell you, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6 bottles that I have bought in the last 3 months trying to find my shade. So here we go. I'll put it on. I just do on my face. And then I do a pump. Like I said, it immediately smells like Noxzema. Reminds me of being a teenager. I've already wet my sponge, and I just bounce it into my face. It is I like it. Like I said, it adds a dewiness, and in this, in the wintertime, your skin gets dry. Even with electric heat, they say it's not supposed to dry out your skin, but I think it does. It dries out my sinuses. I know I have allergies, and I wake up in the morning, every morning, with a bloody nose in the wintertime. I know, ooh, yuck, I'm sorry. That's kind of graphic. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Oh, go dogs. Definitely dog fans in this house. Used to be a girly girl. He's moved on. He was with the LA Rams. I don't know who he's with now. We were disappointed when the Falcons didn't call him up. Anyway, it goes on smooth. I love the finish of it. I don't know if y'all can, if it translates on camera. But it's great. I love it. And I like it for the winter. So I probably won't be wearing this in the summer. I'm going to go ahead and, well, I don't know. I'm not going to I am going to go away and do my eyebrows. I'm not going to do that because that takes up some time. But I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done. Anyway, I'll just finish up. Like I said, I like the Lorac 3-in-1 Light Source Primer. It definitely will be my go-to over my Smart Shade Primer now. And some days I will conceal over that green. I didn't have to do that today, but it is a normal for me to do that. And I wanted to just talk about this eye primer. It's from, I said She the other day, but it's from Santee. And I got it off Shop Hush. I think it was like $2. I like it better than the Wet n Wild, which I thought was wonderful. It got to where it was drying out my eyelids. This is a shimmer. I got it on. I don't know if you can tell. But, yeah, that I like it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm trying to think. My mind is lining it to nothing, trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I think I'll take my pink powder. I love this stuff. But I got translucent powder too that I like to use. I think what I'm going to do is try to take that down and then bake it. I'm not going to bake it. I'm just going to cut the line a little bit. And that's what I'm going to do over here too. And then do up. You can fix. I like the pink powder. You can't really find it in stores. You have to look for it online. And that's what I did. I went about it the hard way to find it. I suggest just look on Amazon. Oh, now I got it everywhere. Okay. Anyway, we're going to just let that sit there for a minute. I don't want it to get me too dry. Wintertime is terrible for that. Yeah. See that? Take it right down. You don't have that as much. Let's see there. This is going to be a one quick makeup look because I'm not going to do too much. I have a palette that came in. I am so excited about. I have not seen anybody else do it. I came across for it. It's a dupe. I'm not going to tell you for what, but the video is going to be coming out very soon. I do like the Lorac. That was what this was all about. And I think it is a $35. I think it's $35 on their site, and also the same at Sephora. And I didn't check at Ulta, but I'll put the links down there, even on Amazon. Anyway, I'll put several links down in the description. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Please share it if you liked it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.